Today I'm going to show you how this combustible gas detector saved my butt. So this is what happened. So Pacific Gas and Electric, they do a random inspection of my rental house here in Northern California. And they discover that the gas line will not hold the 15 pounds pressure over a certain amount of time. Like it's 15 minutes it's supposed to hold it. So what do? They shut the gas off to the house. So I don't hear about this until the tenant calls me in this panic saying they have no hot water and they have no heat to the house. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? And I also started panicking because I've heard some horror stories about apartment buildings where there's a gas leak, it won't hold the pressure, nobody can smell any gas, they can't find it, and they end up shutting the whole apartment complex down for like months while they're ripping all the pipes out of the walls. Anyhow, so I rushed over there, turned the gas back on. I had my soapy water, I sprayed all the fittings, the unions, the valves. There were no bubbles at all. I then did the sniff test. I smelled all the fittings. I couldn't smell any gas. I asked the tenant, I said, do you ever smell gas in the house? She said, never. I'm like, great. So, okay. I went on Amazon. I did rush delivery of this combustible gas detecting device. And let me tell you, this thing saved my butt. Let me just show you, I'll just show you how you go ahead and calibrate this thing and how it works. So first, you turn it on just like that. You can probably hear that clicking noise. So there's a light, yellow light there, it says warming up, right? So once it's actually warmed up, well, first of all, I want to say you want to stand in an area where you know there's no gas. So maybe go out in the living room. Okay, so it is now warmed up by that noise. So this is how you calibrate it. You turn it so you hear the noise and you back off so the noise disappears and the light is out as well. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a demo for you. I'm gonna use my gas stove. I wanna show you how well it works at detecting gas. So check it out. All right, here's a gas stove. Got my little gas detector. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna turn that all the way on like that. All right, ready? That burner. See how fast it lights up? Okay, let me shut this off before I blow the house up. Okay. Okay, I'll burn the gas away there. So it takes a while, you see that? So to reset it, you want to go to an area in your house that you know there's no gas. I would actually recalibrate this. So I'm doing on the side. Just goes off. Okay, so now you're ready to do another test. All right, so now I'm going to show you what I actually did in my rental house when I identified the leak, and this thing saved my butt. You want to hold the sniffer wand a couple of seconds at each location where you suspect there may be a leak. Now, this is most likely going to be where two pipes connect together or a valve. The source of the leak in my rental house was this old valve. It was the original valve in this 1952 house. So I've already replaced the valve in this video here, and I'm performing final test to verify that I repaired the leak. All right, that's good. Seal. Over here, there's a new valve. This used to have a grease valve too. The old one. Good. No leaks here. All right. There are no leaks. So this combustible gas detection device saved my tail. I had the pipes re-pressure tested. They passed with flying colors. I wish I would have bought this right from the beginning. Saved all the time going out there doing sniff testing with my nose, spraying soapy water. You know, this is for 30 bucks on Amazon. This is the trick right here. There's even cheaper models. Just go out and buy one. Save yourself a lot of time.